Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you on a Friday afternoon, Friday, July the 26th. And I am happy to say that we had another green day, 4 in a row now. I'm very happy about that. My first day trading this 150K funded account. We have $100 in profit there. I had one losing trade today. That was on this account. Trading minis. I decided to trade minis with this 150K, but I had one loss and then one nice winner to take it back into the green. And I left it there. I took one trade with account 56, had a winner there on micros, and I took two winning trades with account 55. So that sums up like trading for today, 5 trades in total, and we had a good green week. Let's look at some of the stats for this week on where are we at here? This is the last 4 days, so let's first look at today. 284, like we just talked about, 80% win rate. Again, my win rate has just been through the roof and very, very good. Since I've kind of switched to this 50K micros trading, on Tuesday, we're up 595, 4 green days with an 82% win rate across those 4 days. That is excellent. That is the best I have ever traded from a win rate perspective. So very, very happy about that. Even if I include Monday into the mix and we look at this week, we're up 243 on the week, and we still have a 63, almost a 64% win rate. So very, very happy, and I feel very confident right now in the trading. I know I'll still have red days. I understand that. But I for some reason, using micros with the 50K accounts, and then even today using minis with this 150K, I feel very comfortable. With that $5,000 drawdown on a 150K account, I feel very comfortable using minis. So yeah, very happy with the trading. Very, very happy with the trading this week. It feels really good to have 4 green days and a green week. I can assure you of that. Looking at the rest of the accounts, I don't have any evals left. I also passed a 50K account this afternoon in this session here. In fact, let's just take a look at that. That is this account, as you can see, trade. And obviously you can see I traded this account a lot today. I traded it a lot. In fact, at one point I had it 300 away from being blown, and I took it all the way to passing the account. So take that, market. I guess I can still create some wins. But yeah, the biggest thing, the move here in the afternoon, right at the 4 o'clock hour, I literally just jumped in 5 contracts, pretty aggressive on this move down. And when I was unsure, I just exited quickly. Here I had $100, which was basically a break even when you're at 5 contracts, but $800 winner, $800 winner, $1,000 winner, and that break even trade, and then at $500 to finish it off. So very happy with kind of, to me, that's kind of an icing on the cake thing to end the week that way. Passing the 150K account and having a 150K funded account today, and then passing another 50K win today. That's kind of fun. So unfortunately, I did lose my another take profit account, so that is frustrating, but I have a couple accounts rebilling that are part of this 40% off, which when we're there, while we're here, let's just talk about that for a minute. So just a reminder, if you are looking for, if you're a take profit trader, they do have that 40% off lifetime and no activation fee promo going on, and it ends this Sunday. So my code BCT gets you that deal. So take advantage of that. And if you're a take profit trader, you definitely want to make sure that you've got some eval accounts with that discount. So you can reset as often as you like, and you'll still get that basically $102 gets you a funded account. So very, very good deal with Take Profit. And again, my code BCT gets you the best deal with Apex or Take Profit. So while I'm there, thank you. Thank you very much, those of you that use my code. I really, really do appreciate that. Let's walk through the trades really quickly. On the 150K account, I only took the 2 trades. I didn't get that account activated until almost lunchtime. I paid for it this morning at about 8 o'clock in the morning. It didn't show up until about noon, so obviously Apex was a bit backed up. But I took a loss here, and this was an accidental loss. I accidentally I clicked my mouse, and I had my mouse sitting here on the close all button. I accidentally clicked it, and it closed this trade. I didn't mean to. So I really shouldn't have any losses today, but I ended up taking a loss there. And then I re-entered on this pullback and got a nice $300 winner. I was trading 2 contracts, 2 minis. Yeah, I took that account into green. On micros for the 50K accounts, on account 56, I only took 1 trade off of this morning's session. This was around 11 o'clock. We kind of had this triple bottom, and this was kind of holding, and I felt strongly that we were going to have a move to the upside, and just jumped in off of these wicks, got a nice little winner there, so that was great. And then on account 55, I think I took 2 trades. Yep, right here. I was kind of looking for this move to happen right here, and I got my full win, 40 ticks, I believe, 41 ticks. But I was incorrect in what the market trend was going to do for, you know, the next couple of minutes. So I'm happy with that trade. It was a bit of a lucky trade there. And then we, on this move to the upside here at the near the top, I actually jumped in on a pullback long and caught a full winner there. So happy with the trading, happy with the trades I took. And again, just keeping that 80% win rate going that's pretty remarkable. I'm pretty happy with that. So, I had someone ask about the buttons, and I'll go through these. So let's just jump into, let's see, maybe I can do this with a sim account. The market is closed right now, so I don't know if this will work. Okay, yeah, I was messing with this a little bit earlier, so this should work. So for example, the button I use the most is like buy click. A buy click is I can put this order anywhere I want to. So in this case, if I want to put this order here, it fills the order, and if price comes down to this level, it will fill this long order. Likewise, if I want to have a sell order, I can put it anywhere I want to, and if price comes down, it will fill that order for a short position. That is the button. Those are the buttons I use the most. The top buttons here, market, puts you in immediately, puts you in exactly where the market is at any given time. The ask and bid order puts you in probably about 1 to 2 ticks below the current. It fills me right now because the market's closed, but it'll put you in about 1 to 2 ticks below where the price is at the exact instant that you press that button. So if you want to get in like immediately, just use market. You usually will get the fill if you use the bid for a short position or the ask for a long position. Price. This is a button I don't use, and honestly, thanks for the question, because I started to mess with these buttons a little bit more today. The price button is order submitted. If you hit price, it will put you in a long position, the green price button. It will put you in a long position at the high of the previous candle. So if this is the active candle, this green one, it's going to put me in at a long position on the high of this previous red candle. If I click the red price, it's going to put me in at the low point of the previous candle. So I didn't know that prior to today. I never messed with it, but knowing that, I may use that sometimes, because there are times where the market is, I'm looking for a pullback to go long, and I'd want to get in at the bottom of the most recent candle, for example, and that's an area where, you know, buying using well, that's not really a good example because I may want to go long there. But anyway, it could be useful to knowing that the price buttons put you in at the high and low of the previous candle. So hopefully that answers the question. If you're wondering, this is the Affordable Indicators chart trader. That's what I'm using. So that puts these buttons on the screen, and it works with Rhythmic and NinjaTrader. So in any case, that is that. Once again, just a big thanks to all of you guys for hanging out, for following along. Appreciate you all. If you're new here, feel free to like and subscribe. I try to do these videos every day that I'm trading to take you along on my trading journey. Thank you once again for those of you that use my code BCT with Apex or Take Profit. It does help me out and helps the channel, helps me bring these videos to you every day. So again, hope you had a great week. Have a great night. Have a great weekend, and can't wait for Monday morning. So long.